Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this funny chicken or banana filter on TikTok. So are you a chicken or banana? Okay, to use this filter, just tap on the record button. Okay, then on the scale, this filter will choose you are a banana or you are a chicken. Okay, so this is the filter. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for chicken or banana. Okay, the second one with 162 videos. Okay, this is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and you will get the filter. This is a new filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for chicken or banana filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you'll be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.